Today we're going to show you how to use your roof air conditioner. To run the roof air conditioner, you will need to be plugged into shore power. The air conditioner has a setting for fan only, indicated by the black markings. It has 3 settings for the air conditioning mode, indicated by the blue markings. There's also a red dot, which represents the heat mode. The heat mode is optional and is only available if you purchase the optional heater unit. While in air conditioner mode, you can select the temperature range with the thermostat knob, and that is how you use the roof air conditioner.